guys how I do my back to school makeup look, and keep on watching if you're interested. First thing that we're gonna go in with is our moisturizer. I'm using the First Aid moisturizer slash primer. So just putting little dots of it all over my face. I'm just going to moisturize this all over my face. I'm going to moisturize my big ass forehead. So if you guys are wondering what I have on my lips right now, I have a lip balm from Glam Glow, and I put it on every time I do my makeup because it just makes my lips super soft. So if I put on like a matte lipstick, it will just look good. So the reason why I'm not gonna go in with a full coverage foundation is because I think a stick foundation would look a little bit more natural, and for school we don't really want to do too much because it's school, like who gives a fuck. So I'm gonna go in with my stick foundation from Anastasia in shade Natural, and I'm going to put that all over my face. It feels like you're not wearing like any foundation at all, which is amazing because you want to feel as comfortable as you can at school because school sucks ass. So without much being said, I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm just going to buff it all out. Make sure you get down your neck. This is the part where I take off my lip balm, but I'm not going to. Can I have back my baby? Once you feel like your face looks flawless and glowy, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go in with your concealer. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So because I don't sleep much, I get bags. So I'm going to do like a triangle under my eyes. Just going to dot my nose here. So if you're wondering how much this takes for me, this takes about like 15 minutes because I am going to put on eyelashes and then I'm going to contour. So taking a beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out. I'm gonna pray I don't look like a white ghost because I put so much fucking concealer on. So looking like a whole ghost up in this bitch. Okay, so once you look like a whole ghost, so this is when you're going to contour. Taking my bronzer from Too Faced in Bronze Peach. Going to take a pretty fluffed out brush. And I'm gonna go in circles going up. Like that. I don't know how I get up for school just to do my makeup. Like I have to get up in 1 whatever hour earlier. Gotta keep that nose bronzed. Ooh. So taking my setting powder from Huda Beauty and Banana Bread, I'm just going to this where I conceal. Wow, that's a lot of setting powder. So I'm going to put some on my nose because I do get oily during the day. So the way I normally do my eyebrows is thick and dark. Okay, so for school, I'm gonna do my eyebrows a little bit differently from how I normally do them. I ran out of my Anastasia brow pencil, so I'm going to just use the same thing as I use normally. So taking my Anastasia brow duo, I'm going to just use the dark one with my angled brush. Unless I have a brow pencil, they're gonna look fake. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're gonna look like I shaded it in. So okay guys, so I usually clean up my eyebrows with my concealer, but I'm gonna go in with this one again. I kind of want to do a little bit more natural look. So taking my Anastasia flat brush, I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows with that. I think it also looks nicer. Like, it makes it look more natural. I think that just looks prettier. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out. Going back in with my Huda Beauty setting powder, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to put it on just all over my eyelid so it doesn't crease and look ugly during the day, because you know we got like 8 hours of that shit. So I'm going to do this eye. I have no fucking mirror, so I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So taking a flat brush, I'm just going to take that all off. So of course we have to look healthy and look like we went to sleep. So I'm gonna take my Tarte blush in Peaceful. Okay, so we're just going to adapt that up on our cheek. Okay, I think I put a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'm going... Shits are dusty as fuck. Taking my Kiss eyelash in Tulle. It's Tulle or Lacy, I don't remember. So if you guys don't know how to put on eyelashes, I suggest you don't do it the morning of school, because you will take like an hour. So yeah, this is... Bitch, who's this? Oh. Who's this girl that's walking by? Oh, that's Sophia. Ooh. Taking my mascara from Too Faced, Better Than Sex. I'm just going to put it on. Make sure my eyelashes blend with the eyelashes. If that made any sense. We're just gonna brush them up with our finger. I'm so mad right now, cause and I just got this sweater, bruh. What the fuck? This ain't it, yo. Using the same mascara, I'm going to do my bottom eyelashes. Okay guys, so taking my Anastasia and Reezy highlighter, I'm taking my Sephora highlight brush, Just going to make myself look glowy. So after that, I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in Chicory, and then I'm going to take my Buxom lip balm. Okay guys, so this is the end of this makeup look for back to school. I hope that you guys liked it, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.